Namaskar to everyone. Today we will learn about hip rotation pose, Shroni Chakra Asana. Let's see. Shroni means pelvis. In this practice, we rotate the hips because the hip joint is a ball and socket joint. It allows a wide range of motions and provides support for our legs to hold our body. This socket area is inside the pelvis. Let's see. Sit with both legs stretched out in front of the body. Bend the right leg and place the right foot comfortably on the left thigh. Hold the right toe with the left hand and place the right hand on the top of the bent right knee. Use the right hand to rotate the right knee in a circular movement. The index finger may be pointed out and used as a guide to perfection of the circular movement. Inhale on the upward movement. Exhale on the downward movement. Practice 5 to 10 rotations clockwise. And then 5 to 10 rotations anti-clockwise. Awareness on the rotation of the knee, ankle and hip joints and the breath. After the practice, straighten the leg slowly. Now we will repeat this practice from the left leg also. Bend the left leg and place the left foot comfortably on the right thigh. Hold the left toe with the right hand and place the left hand on the top of the bent left knee. Use the left hand to rotate the left knee in a circular movement. The index finger may be pointed out and used as a guide to perfection of the circular movement. Inhale on the upward movement. Exhale on the downward movement. Practice 5 to 10 rotations clockwise and then 5 to 10 rotations anti-clockwise. Awareness on the rotation of the knee, ankle and hip joints and the breath. After the practice, straighten the leg slowly. Benefits. Shroni Chakra is a beneficial asana for those people who work for a long time in standing or sitting position. This asana helps to remove stiffness in the lower back and hips and enhances flexibility and mobility in the hips and lower back. This asana stretches the inner thighs and knees and helps loosen up the hips and knee joints. Precautions. Do not practice this asana if you are suffering from a knee injury, sciatica or lower back pain. This asana should not be practiced if there is a surgery, injury or pain in the knees or in the leg. Other than this, in the case of any other diseases, practice only after taking the instructions of the doctor and yoga teacher. Thank you.